In this video, I'll be showing you how this particular platform operates and how you can have access to it. Now, there are so many features right on this platform which you can get rewards for yourself. So I'm going to be walking you through with the detailed review I have made right on this platform, my experience, and some other things you need to know about this platform. And so before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, there are so many advantages you can be getting right on this platform. As you can see right here that every hour you will be claiming free Solana every hour right on this platform, and you can see that there are so many options right on this platform. Now I'm going to be walking you through, and the detailed explanation I'm going to be giving right in this video will make you understand how this platform works. Now these are the frequently asked questions right here, but I'm still going to be showing you and walking you through on things you should know about this platform and how you can leverage properly on it. Now the aim for you right here is to claim your free Solana every hour. This is one of the simplest survey you can actually come across, and that does not have high disqualification. So you can start up with this survey and you get less disqualification right on this platform. Now as we proceed right here, what we are going to be doing is to come down to where we can actually find the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, it's going to bring you over to this sign up interface where you need to set up an account for yourself. Now this is one thing you need to know about this platform, that is actually user friendly. Now you're going to be coming right here to insert your username right on this platform. So once you insert your username, you're going to come right here and input an email address you want to use for this, then put in a password. Okay, so I come right here and I insert my password. I also come right here and confirm my password. So after inputting your password and all of the details, come right here under cloud Flav Tone Star. Come right here and select which you want to go for. You can come right here and select recaptcha or anyhow you want to put it. Then you come right here and select I am not a bot. So you just need to select this captcha like this. So once you check I am not a robot, you come right here and click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you just need to hold on and you'll be logged into your account. So right here you can see our account has been successfully registered. So this is how this platform is. This is how you're going to be operating on this platform. I'm going to be showing you things you need to do hourly right on this platform. As you can see, hello Joaquin, welcome back, hourly faucet and bonus faucet. Now on this platform, there are so many things which you can do to accumulate some rewards for yourself. I'm going to be making a detailed review of my experience while using this platform and what you too can also apply to get exact results. So you can see right here, to receive rewards from hourly faucet, please fill the correct captcha and press claim button. The amount of free soul that you earn will depend on your level and paid out according to your table below. Your level is stone. To reach the next level, please play a game. Now that is not what you're after. When you come right here, you're going to be seeing take surveys to earn more soul and increase your level. Soul actually means Solana right on this platform. So right now you can see that this account is a fresh new account, which you can see the balance above. So right here you can see we have the CPS research, we have the time wall, we have bit labs and the likes of others. So I'm still going to be walking you through all this, but for some of us that actually want to get easy rewards from this platform, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to do that and how I was able to accumulate that for myself. Now when you come down right here, you are going to be seeing something that is called the hourly end right here. You can see that for yourself. Now when you come right here, you can see claim. Now how do you claim this? Before you can go ahead to claim this, you can just come down to where you can find this Cloudflower and Toaster. Okay, so it depends on you. You can actually use this method to verify your account. Just click on this drop down like this. So there are so many ways which you can use on your account. So if you select this first one like this, you're going to be seeing verify that you are human. So what you're going to be doing is to hold on, and you're going to be using this verification method to verify your account. So you're going to be using this method to verify this before you can claim. Okay, so you can see that it's actually loading. So they say select the image displays the least amount of times. Okay, so this is what you're going to be doing. So that is the one that appeared, the list. It said select the image displayed the least amount of time. Okay, so we are going to be selecting the one that has the list. So we have this, if I'm not mistaken. So you can see that we have selected that. So once you've actually done that capture, you click on claim. So you come right here and you claim hourly right here. You can see that. So once this is actually counting down, after an hour again, you come to claim. So you keep on claiming to you keep on accumulating for yourself. Now the other way you want to use to get some rewards on this platform is actually very simple. Now for my own review and what I expect you to do, this is actually also a survey platform like other survey platforms, which you can also get some rewards for yourself. Like right here, you can see that we have research, CPS research, we have time wall, and we have big labs. You can also use time wall to accumulate some points right here for yourself. Some of us will be asking, how do I start up with this platform with time wall? So I have made detailed video on how you can start up on platforms with time wall like this. But if you're to use time wall on this platform and you're actually using a proxy or a VPN, you will need to get a United Kingdom time wall account, not your local time wall. So if you want to go ahead with time wall, because most of you can come into this platform without VPN and only come right here to select the claim. Okay, so you can sign up to this platform without any VPN and you'll be having access to the claim button to also claim. Now if you go ahead to start taking surveys, you will need to actually use a VPN or a proxy. So for you to start taking surveys, you need to get connected to a VPN or a proxy before you can start taking surveys on this platform. Like a reminder to some of us that are new to surveys, surveys is actually where you come in to give your honest opinion, and companies are willing to give you some incentives for that, for your time and your opinion. So right here you can see that we have so many surveys which you can go for some of us that want to go through time work, you can actually go out through time work. Now you'll be asking, what is their payment method right on this particular platform? Now when you come over to this hamburger icon, you're going to be seeing that there are so many options right here. Now the withdrawal options, you can actually find them right here. So you can see that you can withdraw using this particular method. Now they said enter your settings for your withdrawal request and press the withdrawal button. Minimum withdrawal amount is this amount of Solana. We have no maximum withdrawal. You can withdraw the entire balance in your account. So they have no maximum withdrawal rights here. So the minimum withdrawal is actually 0.002. Okay, so for you to start placing withdrawal, you will need your Solana account. As you can see that the selected network is Solana and it cannot be changed. Okay, so you put in the address right here and you click the maximum you want to withdraw and you can see the amount you'll be getting. Then you click on withdraw. Now before you can say you want to start withdrawing on this platform, you need to have a Solana account. Okay, you can get a Solana account from different crypto wallet, but I will advise you to download this particular app for your withdrawals on that platform. You can actually see the receive crypto deposit. Okay, so if you want to set up an account for yourself, it's just one way in and it's very fast, and you can withdraw from your Solana account down to your Naira bank account instantly. As you can see, get a Naira US virtual card in a second. So you just need to come right here and click on create account. So you'll be creating an account for yourself. So come right here, you're going to be putting your first name like this. You can also come right here and put in your last name to create an account for yourself. So you can come right here and put in your phone number, then click on continue. Okay, so right here you will need to confirm your address. So you just come right here, you put in your address, also put in your password here. You also confirm your password and click on create. Okay, so once that is done, a code will be sent to your email address to confirm your email. Okay, so you have to put in these codes before the time elapsed so you can verify your account. Okay, so once you input that code, you can see you can now proceed in logging into your account. So what you're going to be doing now is to sign into your account, and once you sign into your account, you have access to also receive and send funds on your account. Now you need to come right here and also set a withdrawal pin. Okay, transaction pin which you'll be using for your transaction. So once this is set, you can now have access to your account. So this is how your account is going to look like. So if you actually want to withdraw from your account, all you just need to do is to come over to deposits here. So you are going to be seeing your Sol account, which is the Solana account. Come right here, So once you click on that, it's going to load up a page where you can actually copy the address of your Solana. Then you can now head back to your account, come right here, come right here, paste the wallet address, click on max. You can see that. So come right here and you're going to click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw now, you'll be asked to verify your email. So we need to come right here and we need to verify our email. So click on verify. So before you can be able to withdraw, you need to verify your email. So come right here and click on verify email. Okay, so once you click on verify email, you just have to see that your account has been verified. You have sent an email. So just go over to your email address so you can actually verify your email. So right here, this is our email. So we come right here and we come right to this particular interface and click on verify email. Okay, so once you click on verify email, you'll be asked to open a browser to verify your email. So once you click on verify, this will actually pop up depending on your device. So let's click on Kiwi. So let's use this to verify our email. So once you verify your email, then you can now see that your account has been verified. So you can now go ahead to click go to home. So you can see that. So once you come over to this notification icon, you can see that our account has been verified. Okay, so you can now go ahead to place withdrawal since we've actually done the verification. So you come right here and you come over to withdraw. Okay, so once you come over to withdraw, you come right here and paste your wallet address. So let's go over to this particular Solana address to copy this particular address. Okay, so that is how this platform works. It is actually user friendly, and less disqualification for survey is actually seen right on this platform. So remember the way I showed you how to get your Solana address. So once you've gotten that, all you just need to do is to place withdrawal on your account. Remember that every hour you come right here to claim free Solana right on your account. So this is how it's gonna look like. So I'm going to come right here and click on withdraw. But before that, look at it. The minimum amount for withdrawal is actually 0.0025. So all you just need to do is to keep on accumulating your Solana points right here. Just come over to the survey interface or go over to your dashboard. You are going to be finding that right here. Now these are the surveys that you have on this platform. Apart from the hourly gain you get from Solana, these are the surveys right here. We have the CPS research, we have time wall, and we have BitLabs, just like what I explained. Now if you're doing surveys on this platform, you'll be seeing your completed surveys and you'll be seeing your rejected survey. So your history will be shown right to you. So when you come right here, you're going to be seeing that we have survey of actually 10 minutes, 17 minutes, and the likes of it. So you want to take this particular one of 4 minutes, you will just have to follow the process and you're going to be setting and you're going to be answering the questions for yourself. One thing about this particular survey is that there are less disqualification on this platform. So with my review so far, I think this particular survey is actually user friendly, which anyone can start and give it a try. Okay, so from my own experience, I will advise you jump into this because it's actually user friendly. So right here, this particular survey is going to take just few minutes of our time and we are going to be proceeding with all this. Okay, so I'm going to be picking my date of birth right here. So you can see that there are less disqualification right on this platform. So once you're done, you are going to be given the rewards and you can easily follow the process I showed you. I already showed you how you can place withdrawal and how you can start up getting your hourly gain. So it's not compulsorily you start up with a PayPal. So this does not actually requires you to insert a PayPal right here. So you can see that. So you come right here and insert your postal code depending on the one you want to use. Okay, so I'll be going with this. I'll be going with this. Okay, so I'll be going with this. So once you're done with your postal code, you come down and you click on proceed. Okay, so once you click on proceed, you just answer this question. So these are not like other questions that are difficult for you to attend to. And remember I said that there are less disqualification right on this platform, so you can keep on doing your surveys and getting much value from it. So this is actually a nice one for anyone who wants to start with surveys. Okay, so I'm going to pick in this. I'm going to pick in this. So you can see it's actually loading. So unfortunately, you did not qualify this time. It seems as if the partner is looking for a different target group. So remember, I said your account is actually a new account. So you can go ahead to start taking all these surveys right here and see how you're going to be benefiting from it. Now, on this particular survey, you're not going to be losing because even without taking surveys, you come down hourly to claim your Solana on this platform. So remember that there is a context on this particular platform where you earn hourly for yourself. So you can see that right here. You come every hour to claim your points. So that is how you can actually start up with this platform. As I've showed you every details you need, the sign up process, a review of it, and also what you can use to get your rewards, not necessarily PayPal. So you can start up with this platform, give it a try and see how it works. Now, if you actually got value from this video, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So thank you for watching this video to this point. However, it is always advisable you join our social media platform, our Telegram channel, and our WhatsApp group where we show you some platforms which you can leverage into this world. And so see you on my next video and keep winning.